Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial game in 2025. We'll be exploring 7 secret websites that have the potential to help you earn $100 a day. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new side hustle, these platforms offer unique opportunities that you might not have heard of before. As we navigate through each website, we'll provide you with insights on how they work, the types of tasks you can complete, and tips to maximize your earnings. The online world is constantly evolving, and discovering new income opportunities is more important than ever. With the right tools and knowledge, you can tap into these resources and create a sustainable income stream. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to earning money online, stick around. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. Website 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is a fantastic platform for freelancers looking to showcase their skills and earn money. With a diverse range of services available, you can offer anything from graphic design and writing to video editing and digital marketing. The beauty of Fiverr lies in its flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a niche for everyone. To attract clients, creating a compelling profile is crucial. Start by highlighting your skills and experience in a clear and engaging manner. Use a professional photo and write a captivating bio that showcases your unique selling points. Don't forget to include samples of your work to build credibility. When it comes to pricing strategies, consider starting with competitive rates to attract your first clients. As you build your reputation and receive positive reviews, gradually increase your prices to reflect your expertise. Offering package deals can also entice clients to choose your services over others. With the right approach, Fiverr can be a lucrative source of income for freelancers. Website 2. Upwork. Upwork is a powerful platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking specific skills across various industries. From web development and graphic design to writing and virtual assistants, the types of jobs available on Upwork are vast and diverse. This means there's a good chance you can find projects that align with your expertise and interests. Building a strong portfolio is essential on Upwork. Your portfolio showcases your best work and demonstrates your skills to potential clients. Include a variety of samples that highlight your capabilities, and consider adding client testimonials to enhance your credibility. A well-crafted portfolio can significantly increase your chances of landing projects. When it comes to bidding for projects, being strategic is key. Take the time to read the project descriptions thoroughly and tailor your proposals to address the client's specific needs. Highlight your relevant experience and explain how you can add value to their project. Competitive pricing and a personalized approach can make your bids stand out in a crowded marketplace, helping you secure more opportunities on Upwork. Website 3. Etsy. Etsy is a vibrant marketplace that allows users to sell handmade, vintage items and unique crafts. If you have a creative flair, setting up an Etsy shop can be a rewarding way to turn your passion into profit. The process begins with creating an account and choosing a shop name that reflects your brand. From there, you can list your products, set prices, and manage your inventory. One of the most critical aspects of selling on Etsy is product photography. High-quality images can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. Ensure your photos are well lit and showcase your items from multiple angles. Additionally, crafting compelling product descriptions is essential. They should clearly convey the features and benefits of your items while incorporating relevant keywords for better search visibility. To drive traffic to your shop, consider implementing marketing strategies such as social media promotion, email marketing, and collaborating with influencers. Engaging with your audience and building a community around your brand can help increase visibility and boost sales on Etsy. Website 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, often referred to as mTurk, is a unique platform that allows users to complete micro-tasks for payment. These tasks can range from data entry and transcription to image categorization and survey participation. mTurk is ideal for those looking to earn extra income in their spare time, as the tasks are typically quick and straightforward. When it comes to potential earnings, it's important to note that while some tasks pay only a few cents, others can offer significantly higher rewards. The time investment required varies depending on the complexity of the task, so it's essential to manage your time effectively to maximize your earnings. To select high-paying tasks, take the time to review the HIT, Human Intelligence tasks, available on the platform. Look for tasks with higher payment rates and positive requester ratings. Additionally, consider filtering tasks by time estimates and pay rates to find the most lucrative opportunities. With a strategic approach, mTurk can be a flexible way to earn money online. Website 5. Teachable. Teachable is an excellent platform for anyone looking to create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, Teachable provides the tools to share your knowledge with a global audience. The first step in creating a course on Teachable is to outline your content and structure. This includes deciding on the course format, such as video lectures, quizzes, or written materials. Identifying a niche audience is crucial for your course's success. Understanding who your target students are will help you tailor your content to meet their specific needs and interests. Conducting market research can provide insights into what potential students are looking for, allowing you to create a course that stands out. Once your course is ready, promotional strategies become essential to attract students. Utilize social media marketing, email campaigns, and collaborations with influencers in your niche to spread the word. Offering limited-time discounts or free introductory lessons can also entice potential students to enroll. With the right approach, Teachable can be a lucrative platform for sharing your expertise. Website 6. Stock photography sites. Stock photography sites offer photographers a fantastic opportunity to sell their images and earn passive income. Popular platforms like Shutterstock and iStock allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties each time someone downloads them. These sites cater to a wide range of buyers, from businesses needing images for marketing to individuals looking for visuals for personal projects. When it comes to the types of images that sell well, high-quality, versatile photos are key. Images that depict everyday life, business settings, nature, and lifestyle themes tend to perform particularly well. Additionally, images that convey emotions or tell a story can attract more buyers. To optimize your images for searchability, use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Think about what potential buyers might search for and include those terms. Also, ensure your images are properly categorized and tagged to increase visibility. By focusing on quality and search optimization, you can maximize your earnings on stock photography sites. Website 7. Patreon. Patreon is a dynamic platform that allows creators to earn money through subscriptions from their fans. Whether you're a writer, artist, or podcaster, Patreon provides a way to monetize your content while building a community around your work. Setting up a Patreon account is straightforward. Simply create a profile, outline your offerings, and establish different subscription tiers that provide varying levels of access and rewards for your subscribers. Engaging with your subscribers is crucial for success on Patreon. Regularly communicate with them through updates, exclusive content, and behind-the-scenes insights. This interaction fosters a sense of community and encourages subscribers to remain loyal and supportive. Many successful creators have thrived on Patreon, such as artists who share exclusive artwork, musicians who offer early access to new songs, and podcasters who provide bonus episodes. By offering unique content and maintaining strong relationships with your subscribers, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream on Patreon. It's a powerful way to connect with your audience while earning money for your creative efforts. In today's video, we explored 7 incredible websites that can help you earn $100 a day in 2025. We discussed platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Teachable, stock photography sites, and Patreon, each offering unique opportunities for freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking to sell your skills, share your knowledge, or monetize your creativity, these platforms provide a pathway to financial success. It's essential to take action and explore these opportunities. The online landscape is full of potential, and by diving into these platforms, you can start building your income streams today. Remember, the key to success lies in your willingness to engage and put in the effort. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Together, we can unlock new avenues for earning and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.